Attention soccer moms, soccer dads, soccer fans, soccer kids. This is the weekend to head to Strongsville. That's why John Hartman is here from Blind and Sons and Apple. And that's the plumbing place, right?
Yeah, plumbing, heating, air conditioning.
Yeah.
You name it.
I see your
need it, we
commercial
do
with the little songs and all that.
Absolutely.
Pretty
There's
good.
a lot of singing.
How long you guys been around doing plumbing?
Since 1937, so almost 8 decades. We're closing in on it.
You know what you're doing.
Well, we've had a lot of practice, that's for sure.
Okay, speaking of practice, we're talking about soccer, and this is a big, giant weekend for kids. What ages?
From 8 years old up to 14.
So that's what this tournament is. Tell us a little bit about the tournament and where it is.
Well, it's in Strongsville. We did it for the first time last year, and we're going to have somewhere around 80 teams and maybe about 1,000 kids
There's
there.
a soccer mom.
Yes,
How
yes
about
there
that?
is. So we're going to have a lot of kids there. It's free. We don't charge anybody to play there, but we've got a lot of prizes, a lot of different things. So it's a little bit unique that way.
Is everybody involved already organized into it, or can you bring a team there now, or how does it work?
Well, right now everybody's organized, and my tournament director will kill me when I say this, but if somebody's not in and they want to get in, all they got to do is call. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, you know, this is a great opportunity for parents who have a kid that's about to become the age to be a soccer player, because they can meet all these people who have been involved in soccer and learn an awful lot about it before they get their own kid involved.
Absolutely.
It's like a scouting mission.
Absolutely. You know, that's how I had to do it. I didn't play soccer or anything like that, but my little one got into it, and so I had to learn as she did. So it's a lot of fun. We do some skills competitions. Kids get out there, they have a blast. It's a lot of fun watching little kids do push-ups. So you know.
Oh yeah. Did I hear the word free in here?
Yeah. You know, most of these tournaments are $300 to $500, but what we wanted to do was we wanted to sponsor the whole thing, and so that no one had to pay to play or any of that kind of thing, and that'd allow them to do maybe one more tournament for the year. And make Northeast Ohio kids a little bit more competitive.
Okay, Strongsville's a big place. Let's hone it in. What's the name of the field and what time and all that kind of stuff?
Foltz Field and time, boy, that's a great question. It starts sometime Friday and ends about 2:30 on Sunday.
I'm guessing it's somewhere after school time on Friday.
Absolutely.
And goes through the entire weekend. And it's called Ernfeld Soccer Complex, Foltz Fields in Strongsville. Don't forget it's free, and you can register online. You see the address right there. And this could be a lot of fun. How many kids are you expecting to come out there?
Somewhere around 1,000.
1,000?
1,000 kids.
You selling hot dogs and Cokes and stuff?
Well, they have a concession stand that all goes to Strongsville, which
Great.
is fine with us. But
Great.
you know, we've got a lot of different things. So.
Thanks for doing that for the kids.
All right, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
Natalie, what's going on?
Got to tell you what's coming up on tomorrow's show. What may be the best pizza that I've ever had, award-winning pizza to be exact. Crazy combinations, but trust me, you will love it. Plus, a new way to wipe years off your face. You're going to love us. I'm telling you, I tried it.
Years off your
Yes.
face?